Is up, guys? Hey, have you ever built a website and now you're like, man, this website's amazing. I think everyone should be able to have this. How can I turn this into a website template and now sell it over and over and over again? Check out today's lesson. All right. So one of the first things that we're going to do is we're going to review somebody that's successfully doing this already, right? So I'm not sure if you ever seen like coaches or consultants that sell courses, right? And now here's the thing is, this is my beautiful wife, right? Her name's Lauren Caldwell. She owns and operates LC Design. And her main primary focus, if you look right here, she helps health and wellness professionals, right? So these are people that are doctors, nurses, health professionals that are ready to take their knowledge online. Well, now here's the thing. This is what's really cool is there's a lot of health professionals out there in the world that they have a very similar, I'm not saying they have the same business, but I'm saying is they have a very similar business, and they have a very similar process of how they would bring a client or customer off of line, like online, onto like the real world, on a phone call, on appointment, into their course. The process is duplicatable, right? So think of almost like all of the landscaping companies in the United States. Well, most landscaping companies, if we go to a landscaping website like landscaping, right? We can go to this, let's just say this website, right? And in example, we can see that this website has an email up at the top, has a phone number, probably has somewhere to book our services, right? So customer feedback, right? So you can see that there is almost a structure to this website, right? So if we go to LC Design, here's what we've realized is there is a duplicatable structure to a website. So websites can be essentially duplicated. Sometimes it's a lot easier, instead of starting off and creating a brand new custom website, it's a lot easier to start with a template, right? So during this, I'm going to show you what LC Design is doing. We're going to go to their template shop, and you can see this is her template shop, and you can see all this is built on their premium Aspire Builder website templates, right? So what she has used is aspirebuilder.com. If you guys haven't heard of aspirebuilder.com, you could go get started for free, no credit card needed, 14-day free trial, right? So we'll go to that process next, but here's what she's done. She has created, let's just go to the Maggie template an example. Let's click on this Learn More. And this is a health and wellness service-based business. And it is a premium website template for functional medicine practitioners, right? So now here's what's really fantastic about this website. This website is already set up for functional medicine practitioners. Now let me ask you, how many, I'm going to close this, I'm just going to Google search, how many functional medicine doctors in the US, right? So we're just going to Google search this, and we are just going to search. And now here's the thing. A lot of these might not be registered. But this one, let's just go to this directory, right? I don't know if this will show us how many doctors are listed. But let's just say, just think about this, right? Think about how many functional medicine doctors are in the United States, right? Like there's probably thousands, hundreds of thousands, right, of functional medicine doctors, right? So if my wife creates, or you or somebody creates a website template, you can now offer this website template. We could go view this demo. This is what it would look like, right? So this website template is already set up. It already looks pretty. There's already an apply process. There's an apply to work with me. There's an email opt-in, right? So we can download the guide, so this is already set up for the clients. All they have to do, we have results speak for themselves. So here's what we did is we've created this template, and now you can see my wife is selling this template, right? So we could go to the payment options and they could purchase this template. We hit buy now and they could purchase. We have our testimonies right here, and you can see right? Want to hire us to install our website template? We also have a template setup service. We'll go over that a little bit later. And you can see there they could purchase the template for $9.97. So this is a $9.97 product that you could have in your business if you haven't created one already for any website builders out there. And we also even she offers 2 payments for $5.47 also, right? So you can see how easy it is just to switch that. And then check this out, right? Let's just say they wanted to hire her, right? Well, now all of a sudden it is a $4,000 product, right? So in this video, you guys are going to see how we set up basically a $4,000 product. You can even offer, overwhelm with your copy, and now we're at a $5,000 product, all from selling a template. All right. So now here's the thing. Now you guys want to see, the next part, which is actually diving into the template, how to create this templates. And I'm going to show you, this is where Aspire Builder really shines in this next part. So I'm excited. Let's go. All right, so the next thing we're actually going to do is head over to aspirebuilder.com. And if you haven't created an account yet, go ahead and hit get started up here at the top. And then right here it says get started. Already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you already have an account, you could hit log in. If you don't have an account, right, go ahead and click get started. And let's see. So I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And here's what we're going to do, right? So I'm going to show you right from the start, right? So let me show you. So actually, we're going to back up, and we are going to create a brand new account, right? So we're going to go to Aspire Builder, and we're going to hit get started, and I'm going to type in my name, and Jeff is one of these, right? All right, so here's what we're going to do. Right, so as you guys can see, right when we create our Aspire Builder website, you can see that we're greeted inside Aspire Builder by a whole bunch of beautifully already created website templates, right? So Aspire Builder just in itself has awesome looking templates already, right? There's already some cool templates. Now here's the thing, these ones are free, right? So in this, we're showing you how to set up and sell premium templates, right? So let's just say I really, I'm going to set up one for photography, right? And I am going to, I'm going to start with this one. And this is going to be my new template, right? My new template. And I'm going to say for landscapers. Landscaper website template. All right, and your website template is going to be yours, right? So I'm going to hit submit. And now here's what's really cool, right? We now have our website, right? So you can now go in here and design your entire Aspire Builder website, right? This is actually like how you want to look. You could customize this. You could change the words here, right? Here can be anything, right? So you can literally click here, change it, reduce the size, make it smaller, change the color, whatever you want to do, you can edit your website template here. Now, whenever you get this website template here, you're now going to want to sell it, right? So now here is the really cool thing. Once this template looks beautiful, you're ready, you've designed this, you went through, edited it, made it look beautiful, right? Like you see this beautiful skill. Look how much work my wife put into this to like make it look beautiful, like make all the buttons, like all of this, right? So she used Aspire Builder, made it all happen. And now this is what's really cool, right? You see how we just started a brand new account? Now we want this website template, right? You see how it says the words here? I'm going to put my website template, okay? And now here is the power of Aspire Builder, right? So what we're going to do is, you see where it says My Sites and Funnels right up here at the top? I'm going to click this, and I'm going to show you the power of this. You see where it says Landscaper Website Template? You see this little gear icon? We're going to click this, and we're going to go up here to the share icon. We're going to click this. And right here, it says share your website, right? Anyone with this link can create a copy of your website, right? So now check this out. Anyone with your link can create a copy of your website. So if you realize this right here is our product, right? So if we look at this, my wife is selling this product. She's selling this website template. You guys see this? Now check out this. The website template that she is selling is this website link. This is what she's selling for $1,000. This product right here, this link. Now watch what happens when you click this link. We're going to hit paste, and I'm going to paste it into a new tab. Just paste it right here. We're going to hit enter. And now check this out. It brings me to this Aspire Builder website, right? So if I go to log in, well, check this out. I can hit login and look at this. Select a project. We could add to a new project, or we could click to add into an existing project. Well, I already have one website here. I'm going to click to add it to a new one, and watch what happens. We just imported. You see how it pops up with a short introduction? This literally is an entire tutorial on how to teach them the basics of after they just imported your website template, right? So now we can hit close, and look at this. We now have not one, but two websites. We just had somebody download an entire website template from us. Do you see that? Right? So look, this link right here is the product. This is the template. This is the product that we will be setting up and selling on this next part of the video. See you soon. All right, so now here comes the fun part, right? This is actually the quote unquote back end technical part, the delivery of the website template, right? So this is the part that we're going to actually set up to actually get so we can sell this, right? Now we don't want to make it where this link is free, right? We don't want to give away our template for anybody. We actually want to make it where we're going to sell this website template, and it's going to be a service, right? It's going to be a product that we're going to sell. Right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a new website, right? And I'm going to create a new website. This is going to be my quote unquote agency website, right? And so I'm going to go to services. This is going to be your website, right? So this is almost like, you see how LC Design is selling from her website? We're going to create a website just like that, right? So that is what we're going to do. I'm going to go to consulting, keep it super simple. Go to this one. We're going to go my template agency. Right, my template agency, hit submit. And we're going to get the pop-up from the standard video that tells us how to use the builder. Awesome. All right, so my awesome website design. Now here's what we're going to do. Inside, what we're going to do is this is going to be our domain. This is our main website. This is our template agency, right? So we're going to hit text logo. We're going to go our template agency. Okay. Boom. All right, so this is our template agency. And now here's the thing. Soon we're going to have a whole bunch of websites on this, right? We'll eventually have a whole bunch that we could sell on this, right? That's our goal. But first, we just need to set up and sell one, right? So how do we set up and sell one, right? So what the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump over into our contacts, right? And this is the reason why we're going to start here is essentially we want to make it where this product is delivered. And so we're going to set up the products. Okay. So what we're first going to do is we're going to get our link, right? So I'm going to grab this link and I'm going to hit share and I'm going to copy this link, right? And I'm going to go to contacts, right? And then on the left-hand side of contacts, right over here, you're going to see members and you're going to see all members, basic groups, and add group, right? So these are your member groups. And you could think about your member groups as if you have a membership website, all right, in the left-hand corner of your website, like of LC Design, So if I go to LC Design, right, you can see she has this login option, right? Well, now your customers can actually log in into their account, right? So we need to create them a membership area, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Group, and we're gonna type. This is our landscapers, right? Landscapers, it's a website template, right? Website template. All right, so we're gonna hit submit, and we created a new group. So now check this out. Inside this, there's no contacts, but if you see where it says on the left-hand side, it says show group settings. We're gonna click this, and we're gonna say page to redirect after login. And the reason why we're gonna click this is if you click this little link, you can now put an external link, and we get to put a URL. All right, so now check this out. We put our link from the Aspire Builder template onto here. So whenever somebody joins this group, they're able, inside their dashboard, to now click this Aspire Builder website template link. And when they click this, they're able to download their entire website. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna go to store. Okay, so now once you set this up, we set the contacts up. Now we're gonna jump over into store, and we are going to create a product. Okay, so we're gonna go to products, and we are gonna hit add product. And now we're not going to sell a physical product. We're not going to sell a digital product, even though this is a full digital product. We're not going to sell a service just yet. We're going to sell a membership, right? So click on the membership, and we're going to type in our landscaping website template, okay? And I'm going to add an image. Let's see if I got a quick image really fast. This, I don't know if this is a picture of a website template. I don't know if I have one. Let's see. I could use a temporary one. That kind of looks like one. I guess it doesn't. All right, we're gonna use it. All right, so actually, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna screenshot this, and this is our website template image. Right, and so I'm going to upload file, recent, there you go. And now we have a product image. Okay, there you go. I can add a category, so I'm going to type in templates. Categories right here, confirm, and now here's the cool thing. You see where it says membership type product, member group? We can now say landscaper basic website, right? So now here's the cool thing. It says on checkout, customers will be asked to log in or register, and on a successful purchase will be added to the selected member groups, right? So beautiful. All right, so now we could set a price. We could set it for $9.97. Right now we're gonna put it on sale for $0 so we could check out and see if our process works. All right, and I'm gonna hit save. All right, perfect. And now, so here's what we're going to do. Now, if I click on preview, right, if I go to preview this website, we haven't set up anything. We literally just preview this, right? We now have show a new tab, continue the website. We now have a website template, right? Landscaping website template. And this is, we haven't set up a funnel. We haven't set up upsells, downsells. We just made it where people could purchase the website template. Right, so let's see if we could go ahead and let's try. I'm going to hit buy now. I'm going to enter my information. All right, this is some old information. All right, and now here's the thing. I get to set a password, right? So let's set my password. Continue. Close. Save. Complete order. All right, boom. Thank you for shopping. Right? And so now, if I jump over to my email, right? If I jump over to my email, we now have your membership details, one landscaping website template. We can click to access, and look at, we're back at this screen. Yay. Right? So now we can log in. I already have an account, and check out what we have. We can import our entire project. And now we have our website templates. There we are. And so we imported that entire website template. So that is the process that we just set up. Okay, so now I'm going to break down in the next video. I'm going to show you just quickly, as you see, check this out. So as she goes through the process, the next process is she has the $9.97 template. Well, so do we, right? We have the same thing that she does, right? We have the same store as she does. So now we need to have the option of having this website template where one, we could log in, and then two, we got to have some upsells. Remember how she had those upsells? Look at these. Check out these upsells. Look at that. Look at those upsells, right? Well, that changes the price. That changes the entire business. We're going to set that up next. Can't wait. Talk soon. All right, so now this is your bread and butter. All right, so now we're actually going to figure out how to sell these website templates, right? So yes, we just set up a product. Yes, we just set up where you have a basic. You can literally copy this link, and like I said, you can go start selling this. However, you can also go a little bit further, and you could add what's called upsells and downsells, right? So if you click on this left-hand side, there's something called funnels, right? So we're going to click on funnels, and we're going to create a brand new funnel, and we're going to go over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to click sales and products. Let's just use a simple one. Sales and products. Let's see. I like using very simple ones. So here's a couple cool ones, but this is one of my favorite ones right here. So we'll just use this one, right? And we'll say right? So template, sales funnel, right? And so now here's the thing, the difference in between the checkout process normal with the store and the actual the funnel is we're going to be able to add upsells and downsells, right? So I'm going to click on this My Funnels and Sites. We're going to click on website, and then we're going to go over to our funnels. We're going to make sure this funnel right here we're going to move to website and project. We want to connect it. So I'm going to move, and I'm going to say My Funnel Agency. And now that's going to essentially take on all of our branding, right? Make sure it's under the same business, right? And so here's what we could do. On the products, we can now select the product, add our product, hit confirm. And here's the really cool thing. On this process, we can now add upsells, right? So we can make it where they have, if we click on settings on our products again, we can now add bump offers, right? And if we break down her LC Designs bump offers, well, she has want to hire us to install and build your website template. Well, that's a $3,000 service, right? So inside your store, we can hit stay and save. Inside your store, we're going to create products, add product, add a service, and we're going to say template setup. And we're going to put $3,000. Okay. All right. Save. And now we can jump back into our funnels, the funnel that we just created, checkout. And on our products, we could add bump offer, add a bump, select product, template setup. And right here, so we could say need custom, need help setting your template. Perfect. All right. And so hire our team. Show badge only, but $297. There you go. Perfect. Save. And now you can see if we change this to one-step process right here. you can see we have our bump just like LC Design, right? And so now you could stylize this page. You could make this, you could design this how you want. You could add your template image here. You know, you could actually stylize this for sales, but you also have an order bump, right? So same thing as LC Design, right? So get our pre-built landscaping website. Perfect. And now we have a sales process that our customer can purchase our product through. And when they hire us, you can see they'll actually be able to purchase it for our actual products, right? The actual setup, everything. You can see how it says we don't have an actual payment process to set up. If you go in here into your store, you can see inside your settings, you can add payments, add payment provider. You can see you can connect with PayPal, Stripe. Let's just say we connect with PayPal, right? I'm going to connect my PayPal really fast. Right, that might be the fastest one. Now, here's the thing. You can connect with PayPal. The only thing is I recommend, PayPal does take, sometimes they'll hold your money. So I would highly recommend using Stripe. Highly, highly recommend. I'm only showing you guys with PayPal just because it's fast. But you guys can see PayPal is instantly connected. And now we have literally a $3,000 product that they could hire us, or they could get this template right through this process. So yep, that is the whole process of setting up and selling Aspire Premium Aspire Builder templates. Talk soon. Love you guys.